Hey everybody, Robert from 4K High Films, and today's video is an unboxing. Now what makes today's video exciting, it's our first unboxing as a company, and we're thrilled to share it with you. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you'll notice when you open the box is the booklet on top. Now this book is going to show you the app that you need to download, give you the setup instructions, and how to log into the app. Next you'll find the power supply. Now this is a standard wall-mounted USB charger, and it's going to give you the power that you need to power your camera. Also included is a wall mount. Now with the proper screws and mounts included in the packaging, you can mount this to your wall and or ceiling. And finally, the camera. Now they do say it is a 1080p viewing, so I can't wait to hook it up and see how it works. So after installing the camera and testing it out for a couple of days, I can honestly say for the price of $37.99, it's well worth it. Some of the features include the pan and tilt. Now the pan and tilt gives you the ability to look 360 degrees inside of the room. Another great feature is the motion alert. The motion alert will send you a notification once the camera has picked up movement in the room. Another great feature is the night vision mode. When the lights in the room switch off, the night vision mode automatically switches on, giving you clear view inside of the room. Now there are a couple ways to store your recordings. You can do it with a traditional memory card by inserting a micro SD memory card in the slot located under the lens, or you can subscribe to the Wansview Cloud service. So, there you have it. For the price of $37.99, I can say it's a great camera. I like it, and my friend who recently bought the Q3S likes his too. So, if you don't have one, go get you one. Thank you, Wansview.